Now we're going to add a little bit more texture to our plastic effect we have. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come up to our level here, or our layer here. We're going to hold down Control and click right here on the center of this picture. And what this will do, let's get out of that first. And what this will do is it will select all of our text like so. And now we're going to put a lighting effect on this. So let's go to Filter. Let's go to Render, Lighting Effect like so. And it's going to ask us to rasterize our text before continuing. And we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see here, we've got our plastic effect already loaded up. And you can see what kind of shadow this is going to create all the way down the line like so. And let's take our focus down a little bit. We want to have a little bit there, but not too much. And it's alright, we'll go ahead and work with this. Let's take it up a little bit to full, like so. Now we want to make sure our material is a little bit more to plastic than it is metallic. What we're going to do for our texture channel is we're going to use Alpha 1, the alpha channel that we created right up here. And we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see, we got a little burnout there. Let's see if we can reset that. Let's go back to Render, our lighting effect. And it's going to remember our settings from the last time we did it. Let's see if we can just take out our intensity just a little bit. Go ahead and hit OK. What we'll do is we'll pause here and we'll pick this up in the next part.